Gad.
Oh my God, guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be learning or practicing two-step equations. So we're going to be doing these three problems. Make sure you pause the video if you want to do it on your own, and then press play whenever you are done to verify your answers. Okay, guys, let's begin. Okay, guys, so the first thing is that whenever we're doing two-step equations, the purpose of solving an equation is finding the value of the variable. Now, the steps, we have three main steps. So the first one is that whatever is adding or subtracting, you're going to pass it to the other side with the opposite sign. Whenever you are multiplying or dividing the variable, you're going to move it to the other side, that number. If it was multiplying, you're going to pass it dividing. If it's dividing, you're going to pass it to the other side multiplying. Now, this is optional, but you can also check your solutions, right? You can, after you obtain your answer, you can actually substitute in the initial equation, and if it gives you the value that the equation said it would, then your answer is correct. So, for example, if you have 1 divided by 4b plus 2 is equal to 18, right? So this plus 2, we're going to move it subtracting. So 1/4 b is equal to 18 minus 2. Now 1/4 b is equal to 16. Now the 1 is multiplying b, so it can pass dividing, and the 4 is dividing b, so it can pass multiplying. Or you can say 1/4 is multiplying b, so it's going to pass dividing. So b is equal to 16 divided by 1/4. So that means 16 times 4 divided by 1 is equal to 64. Because 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, guys, so now that you have found your answer, you can actually double check if your answer is correct by substituting that value in the initial equation. So initial equation was 1/4 b plus 2 is equal to 18. Now you can verify your answer by substituting in the value of b. So 1/4 multiplied by 64 plus 2 is equal to 18. Okay, now 64 divided by 4 is going to be 16, right? Now 16 plus 2 does give us a value of 18. So now we verify that because 18 is equal to 18, the answer of B is indeed 64. Okay, guys, so let's continue with another problem. 21 is equal to 3m plus 6. Now we want to solve for m. Now the plus 6 is actually adding, so we're going to move it to the other side, subtracting. So 21 minus 6 is equal to 3m. Now 21 minus 6 is going to give us a value of 15. Now 15 is equal to 3m. The 3 is multiplying, so it's going to pass dividing, right? So 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. 5 is equal to m. And you can also verify it, right? So 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. And you can verify it that way as well. Now, let's do another problem. 7x plus 13 is equal to 34. Now the plus 13 is adding, so we're going to pass it dividing, subtracting, sorry. So 7x is equal to 34 minus 13. So 7x is equal to 34 minus 13 is 21. Now the 7 is multiplying, so it has to pass dividing. So 21 divided by 7. And that means that the value of x is going to be 3, because 21 divided by 7 is going to be a value of 3. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So now remember that you can actually double check your answers by substituting the value you obtain in the equation. And whenever that gives you the value that it said it would, right, you actually know that the answer that you've done, so in this case the x equal to 3, is correct. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!